Welcome to a very quick splash test of WeCool Moonwalk M2 earbuds. The phone is connected to the earbuds. I'll play a video while doing the splash test to see how it is affected by the splash. The video got paused because the splash triggered the touch function. Usually a single touch pauses the video. Video is again playing and the buds are still connected to the phone. Looks like the earbuds survived a splash test, but the splashes can trigger a touch function. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.